Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a sketch pen at home. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need an empty pen casing, perhaps from an old marker or a cleaned-out glue bottle. For the ink, consider natural options like berries, tea bags, or even spices. You will also need some water, a small bowl, a strainer, and cotton swabs or felt for the pen's internal components. These simple items are the foundation for your creative project. Now let's create your custom ink. For a berry ink, mash about 1 cup of fresh berries with half a cup of water, then strain the liquid. To make a brown ink, steep 4 tea bags in half a cup of hot water for 15 minutes, then squeeze out the liquid. For vibrant colors, simmer 2 tablespoons of spices like turmeric with 1 cup of water. You can add a few drops of gum arabic or a pinch of cornstarch to achieve a smoother, more viscous consistency for your ink. With your ink ready, it's time to assemble the pen. Take your cleaned empty pen casing or glue bottle. Cut a cotton swab or a small piece of felt to act as the ink reservoir inside the pen. Saturate this material with your homemade ink. Carefully insert the ink-soaked reservoir into the pen body. For the nib, shape another cotton swab or a small felt piece, ensuring it protrudes slightly for smooth writing. Your homemade sketch pen is now ready for use. Before starting your masterpiece, test it on a piece of scrap paper to ensure the ink flows smoothly and the color is as desired. To keep your ink fresh, store any leftover homemade ink in a tightly sealed container in a cool, dark place. Remember to clean the pen's nib with water after each use to prevent it from drying out and clogging. You can easily refill your pen by adding more ink to the internal reservoir.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.